Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. I hope it never ends. We continue with the building of this wonderful plane in balsa, paper, some plastic and a little bit of metal. In the first two videos, links down below, we have made this. The complete frame of the airplane, and then we have to do this, that are some finishing parts for the wings that stays here between the wing and the fuselage. This is for the rear antenna, and this is the rear wheel. This is to make it round, gummy, puffy. It's not easy with this. The nose has to be painted in the color of the plane. I decided on French blue, and I have a spray for this. We have to cut herein, but it's sufficient to cut around, then scrape a lot until you have the perfect cut. If you try to cut with a knife, it's possible to go out from the line and you throw away the piece. Here there's some little engine to evidence. Here there's a hole for the propeller bearing, we can say, because here inside turns the shaft for the propeller. And here there's a great work to do. I have to cut perfectly, then mask, the masking work is finished. Then paint, and to paint I will use the same color of the nose. Naturally the color is not the same of the paper. It's supposed that the right color of the plane is the one you paint. Paper is always a little bit different, so they are not perfect, they don't match perfectly, but I think it's in the spirit of the game. I want to add something that I've seen on YouTube from the masters of this art, and I want to take a picture of me and my wife. It would be nice to do two little figures to put inside driving the plane. I have to manage because I'm not so expert in enlarging and shortening pictures. I have to do some trials, but it would be nice, just the flat one, you know, just the flat for the inside. Then I have started painting the propeller and the wheels, and for the propeller is aluminum. Then I will paint the tips flat black or bright yellow. I have to decide. With blue, yellow is nice, but flat black I like it better. The wheels are from wood, and now they are drying. I've sprayed 4 times, 4 layers of spraying, and for this I used the matte black for high temperature. That is quite gummy. Perhaps I need another one. I would like to give the gummy effect. I have to say, how do they look when they will be dried? I have also to do the wheel supports and cut some paper to cover these parts, mount the elastic, the propeller, the engine. There's a lot of work, there's a lot of fun. Comment, like, subscribe. Also you that are a newcomer, welcome. I am very happy to have you in our channel, my channel. I say our because it's a sort of great family, but please subscribe. Okay, painted. Now I have to wait few hours to dry very well, then unmask, and we will see the result. By the records, the wheels are to me almost perfect. And now there's another challenge, the silver inside, that would be aluminum. Perhaps I will cut with the instrument a perfect round with the aluminum tape. Quite nice. This is in black. The canopy is good. Okay. Propeller. Let's go to the next. And now we have the pilots. The seats, simulated seats, and the two pilots, me and my wife. She came with me in every voyage, every adventure, every enterprises that I made since more than 40 years till now. And I think she's happy to come with me on the plane, even if I'm not able to drive a plane. But we can always learn. Now I have to paint the inside with this gray, then apply the panel decals, pilot in place at the right height, the rear wheel. Okay, there's a lot of work, but now I finish. The cockpit. Comment, like, subscribe. And here we are. Pilot, paper parts, gray interior, panel, instrument. Now I'm going to the countryside for a little vacation, so I carry everything there to continue and perhaps finish. Today we continue with landing gear, propeller, the engine, antenna. Start with the propeller. We have this shaft. We put inside 1, 2, 3. This spacer I don't have. I will put something, and then I have to curve the edge to grip into this. Now we have to do the exhaust. This they say to do in balsa wood, but I would like to use a tube, an alu tube or something like that. The exhaust is here. Then we have to do 1 and 2 air scoop. Then the antenna. Made these things with 3 air scoops, but perhaps this will be made in paper. Now I see what to do. After this, for today, I think it will be all. Slideshow.